First, I run the Python application and the 3D airplane instantly appear on the screen. I can drag the mouse to rotate the camera and view the airplane from any angle. Using the scroll wheel, I can smoothly zoom in and zoom out for a closer look. Now comes the exciting part. As soon as I start tilting the MPU 6050 motion sensor connected to the Xiao ESP32C3, the airplane begins moving in real time. Every tiny tilt is detected with impressive accuracy. Whether I rotate it left, right, forward, backward, or even flip it upside down, the 3D airplane perfectly follows the sensor movement. This project combines embedded system, Python, and a 3D graphics to create a smooth and realistic motion visualization. If you want to build project like this, don't forget to follow for more.